Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching!
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. In today's video, this is what we're tackling. He had his hair in a fro for about a week, and this is what I was left with. I previously detangled his hair with our TM Hair Products 3-in-1 Smooth Through Detangler. As you guys know, it's a detangler. I use it here as a deep conditioner, and that's why his hair is so shiny. When I use it as a deep conditioner, it adds all the shine and life into his hair. And it's also a co-wash, so it is considered a 3-in-1. Now, all I did was detangle his hair, deep condition, shampoo, did all that, blow dried it and parted it down the middle. I blow dried it the night before, and this is the next day. I parted it down the middle. I braided one side, and as you can see, I'm using the Perfect Assist styling aid, and this is great. I love the Perfect Assist styling aid because it can be used as a leave-in as well as a hot oil treatment that you don't have to rinse out, or a styling aid, and that's why it was named the styling aid, because it's like a thick pudding and it fights frizz, and it's used as a styler. I use it on every style except silk pressing and flat ironing. So as you can see here, I've separated this hair, and you guys know I struggle with parting. This is what the Perfect Assist styling aid looks like. It's very thick and very creamy, and it does have a light hold depending on how you layer it. So because I wanted to fight frizz, I layer it a little heavier on his hair because his hair is very dry, it's very cottony, as you can see in the first clip. So I may layer it a little heavier on his hair because I wanted to fight frizz and I want his hairstyle to last. I want to give it at least 2 weeks. And as you can see, I focus on the root and sometimes I focus on the end. And also what I like to do is when his hair is done, I will sit him under the hooded dryer for about 15 minutes and let this styling aid penetrate his hair. You guys, when I tell you the best moisturizing treatment that you can ever get if you suffer from dry hair, my dry hair ladies and gentlemen, you cannot get a better moisturizer when you use this styling aid and sit under the dryer and just let it penetrate your hair. That's why their hair stay in a constant state of health and moisture and shine, because of the techniques that I'm showing you guys with the two products. Now here, I parted off one section in a diagonal part, and you didn't see that because I'm going to braid the two sections in. That's why you see this part is a little shorter than the front part. So the side of his head I parted down the middle, I parted that in half. And I hope that makes sense, you guys. And I'm just braiding up, braiding his hair up, going upward. But I'm only braiding like a 1/2 inch past his scalp. I don't want to braid it all the way down, as you can see there. Maybe like a 1/2 inch past his scalp, because I'm going to connect all of that hair and braid it down. You'll see later in the video. He suffers from a lot of frizz, so um, sometimes I have to go a little heavier on using this Perfect Assist styling aid on his hair, depending on how long I want this style to last. Now, as you can see, as I told you guys before, how I was braiding the two ends, the two parts together, and this is that. And you guys, this is a great hairstyle to do because you don't have to braid the hair all the way to the ends. Like, I like this little shortcut, but it gives it a nice look as well. Now, if I wanted to, I can put the styling aid on the ends of his hair also while I'm braiding it, and that'll add extra moisture to his hair as well. And as you can see, I put it on the very ends of his hair, the styling aid on the very ends of his hair, because his ends can be very drying. As you guys see, if you follow me, if you have been a subscriber of mine, you see how his hair is just growing. Um, I was able to start him from the beginning and just let you guys see his growth journey, and his hair is doing very well. You guys do not forget to follow us on social media at TM Hair Products on Instagram, at TM Hair Products on Facebook. If you are not subscribed on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll be a part of the family. You'll know when I upload videos. You'll know when I do random giveaways. If you've been subscribed to my channel, you know I just do a giveaway for nothing. So that's what I do, just without all the extra strings attached. I just do a giveaway. This is the end look, you guys, and I really like the way it came out. Now this is his hair before and this is his hair after, and you see how the moisturizing styling aid does his hair. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, guys, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.